The details start to sink in. I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time, you're welcome. My name is Folake. It's been a very long time, so I just decided to pick my phone and do some vlog. Yeah, so I have a vlog for the Lagos living, but one thing, if you are watching this clip right now, just know that this is not the beginning of this vlog. Like, I actually lost a clip to the beginning of this vlog, and God, I almost cried sincerely because I couldn't recover it. But then I just had to like edit the remaining part. So yeah, the first clip was me preparing to go for a wedding, to go for a Lagos wedding. Yeah, so that's the beginning of the clip. So yeah, please just keep watching and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment, and also share. All right, so keep watching.
A few moments later.
Guys, I'm super late, but this is my final look. Like, I'm very late, so I'm just leaving the house. I don't even know if I placed this with well, but I'm just leaving the house now. Any adjustment, I'll make it inside the car. So yeah, let's go.
These are the parents of the bride. Mommy, do something. Mommy, do something. Mommy, show her the step. Show her the step. Show her the step. Prove your time as well.
I went down with my best friend, pull it. Get the girls that they like,
Make sure you are everything you have. After they go say, fine man, no get that. So baby. John, can you see what you have cost? Yeah. Give it to them.
I'm just getting home, so I'll just freshen up. And my makeup still looks a bit intact for an oily face like mine. I watched some acts. Is it some act? Yeah, I watched some act from Owambe on YouTube. So she's one of my favorite YouTubers. And see my makeup, guys. Like, I still have it intact. Like, for oily face, like the hacks she gave me, they are more like life-saving. So yeah, I'll just freshen up. It was a good day, but Lagos traffic was hell. But finally, this is one of the wigs. I just made the curls and hold it with the pin for like some minutes. So I'm going to remove it once it cools down. Like, I'm so tired. I've been working since morning, and then I try to like just make a wig for myself for tomorrow as well. Yeah, so that's it. I just did like a slide. I didn't really do any makeup, just my moisturizer, and I have a lipstick. I used the classic lipstick and the gloss. That's just what I have on. So yeah, we're off to the beach. It's been a while I went to the beach. I think the last time I went to the beach was maybe last month. I can't even remember. It was last month. What am I saying? Last year. So going today to the house. This wig is from my store, from my collection. Yeah. So we are beach ready. This week was actually a straight week, so I was the one that styled this. Why is this flying? Trying to. This week is from my store. You can check out my Instagram page, BFS Air. I'll put the link in the description box. So just that and some lipstick and gloss, no other makeup, with my moisturizer, and we're good to go. I'm already late, but yeah, let's start going. It's just that that one sec. I know I